I'm Tessa Hannafin. I'm from Cork, originally from Cape Town, and I've been a graphic designer for over 25 years. The trigger was actually in my LinkedIn profile. Am I being a bit of a fraud here? I'm saying I'm a UI UX designer. I realized that I certainly wasn't. Learning the process and learning where everything fits into the process, particularly in the research side of things. I would never have known about usability testing. I knew about surveys, but I wouldn't have known maybe how to analyze the data. The sort of psychology of how people think was just a revelation. It was amazing. Having to do the projects, it's not only given me work for my portfolio that I can actually show, but it's allowed me to practice what I've been learning while I've been learning it. On a personal level, giving me the satisfaction that I've reached a certain level. And then also on a professional level, my UX skill set will allow me to pursue certain roles that I wouldn't have been able to before. The course has helped me get out of my comfort zone, and I think just given me confidence. But I enjoyed it thoroughly, and I would highly, highly recommend it to anyone.